What's going on, Fearless Gang, and welcome back to the channel. So I apologize if you're seeing this late or if you're even seeing it today at all. Apparently the internet is out right now. AT&T's out in my area, so I can't even use my phone or get on the Wi-Fi. So my idea is after I finish this video, I'm going to try to go to like a McDonald's and see if I can get on their Wi-Fi and upload it. Otherwise, we're gonna have to wait until it gets back online. Hopefully it's not off too long. But today we're gonna be making a dope trap beat using samples only because I'm a little eerie about my plugins. Some of them won't open because I don't have internet and things like that, so we're not gonna get into any of that. We're just gonna do a sample melody and then use my new drum kit. So get this, apparently on Christmas Day, so Christmas morning at 5 a.m., a random truck pulls up in front of like an AT&T building, and there's bombs in it apparently, and there's like a giant megaphone on top of it, and it's saying, "Everybody evacuate the area, there is a bomb in this truck." And apparently it was going off for like 30 or 40 minutes before it actually did explode. Luckily, a lot of people got out of the area. I don't think anyone got harmed, hopefully not at least, but I know a lot of windows got blown out and stuff like that. So we don't have internet or cellular right now for AT&T, and that's what I have, unfortunately, but we're gonna make the best of this anyways. Just wanted to share that with you because it's a pretty crazy story, especially on Christmas morning, but thank God I wasn't anywhere near there. That was in downtown Nashville. So let's get right into this tutorial. Alright guys, I got this sample picked out already, and I found out that it was in C Lydian, so this is what we're going to be using. Lots of feels. Yeah. Alright, so this is going to be way different than the normal. So this is going to be awesome. Let's get into it. I'm just going to put an EQ on this and then cut out any of the bassy tones so that we can start making like the 808 or 808. Alright, so if you have my free MIDIs, I don't have the Lydian scales in that free MIDI download, but if you do grab my new pack, I have them in there. So you can get the Lydians, and as you can see, it has all these other ones in there as well. You're not going to be using them as often, but sometimes you're going to get a melody that's in a weird scale like that. So we know it's in C Lydian, but we want to find the root notes now, so I'm going to go up a couple octaves. And then we're just going to play around with some of the notes here. Alright guys, so we got like a super simple 808 pattern staying on two notes here, and this is what we're sounding like right now. Let's go through the 808s in the new kit and make sure there's not a better one. I just love this 6/7 808. Let's try this one. Alright, we're definitely using the M80. gonna layer a clap with it as well. Ooh, that grande mocha. Let's get it. Let's turn this. Let's get a kick going real quick. Use this one. Now we're just gonna take some notes out and see if we can get a cool swag going. Swag. So I just took some notes out, like here, like when the snare's playing, I'm taking the note out in the first section. Same here, taking it out when the snare's playing, and then I'm taking out the first note in the second section here, and this one just has a note missing, like right here, just because of the swag that we already put in. All right, so I'm gonna play with some of the velocities. I'll be right back. And all I'm going to do is just take these off the grid ever so slightly here. Put an off-centered snare here on here. And these two are my favorite for like off snares, the quickie and the serpent. They both sound really good. We'll do the serpent this time.
Son.
Alright, so we got this laid out and arranged, and I will play this and we'll kind of take a deeper look at it as the track is playing. Use one of the reverse kicks from the pack right here, right before the drop. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up the tutorial. Hope you guys like that one, so hopefully I get this uploaded and you see it on time. Otherwise, I'm going to try to have it to you as soon as I possibly can. Okay, so my new drum kit is live right now. There's a link for it in the description below. It's 50% off, so it's only like $5 right now if you want to grab that. Otherwise, if you want a chance to win this for free, leave a comment below, and I am going to be picking someone from this video to win my new drum kit for free. But besides that, thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button because we're uploading daily tutorials that you're not going to want to miss out on. And besides that, I'll be catching you guys again in the next one. Peace out.